Aloha! I'm here with Pascal, CEO and Managing Partner at Midway Vacations, and today we are going to talk about a really good example of a renovation in one of our units.
This is a perfect example of beautiful renovation, and this is a perfect case that shows how a tasteful renovation can greatly improve the performance of the property.
So Pascal, tell us what was preventing to maximize the income potential in this unit?
So overall, the unit was okay. Everything was working, nothing was broken. The problem was just started to be outdated. So the unit started to have older style furniture. There was no real design to the unit. It was just, okay, everything was there, you know, a sofa, a table, a bed, but it wasn't like a matching design. Nothing that would appeal guests to really want to stay in the unit, that really makes them feel in a nice home.
I'm excited. So guys, we're gonna show you all the change that was done in this unit. So come with us. Okay, so let's start in the kitchen.
Yeah, so the kitchen was completely redone. We focused first on keeping everything bright. Not a huge space, so I think it makes a big difference to keep it bright. Bright color cabinets, white counter, very modern appliances, perfectly matching, beautiful backsplash. To make cooking even nice during nighttime, we even installed under cabinet lights. To keep it light, have partially upper cabinets and floating shelves where you can display beautiful glasses and cups.
And here at the bathroom.
So the bathroom was completely renovated. So we installed a nice porcelain flooring. We replaced the bathtub with a walk-in shower, which is very convenient for guests and travelers. People just want to take the easy shower after the beach. We replaced the vanity with the floating vanity. All new mirror, new lighting, very bright.
Very well designed. And here in the bedroom, as we will see, everything looks cozy, nice and neat.
Yeah, so here in the bedroom, everything was redone. Starting with the flooring, a beautiful king-size bed with the same style, matching nightstands and lamps. We installed a ceiling fan, replaced the blinds, matching blinds on both windows, and then we installed a nice big TV so people can also enjoy a movie from their bed.
So yeah, everything is looking fantastic in this apartment. Can you give us the highlights and what makes this beautiful renovation so special?
To keep an overall idea of what happened here, it's really the mix of everything that makes the end result so special. By starting off removing the popcorn ceiling, we added some soffits with spotlights that creates like accent walls. We extended the TV wall to be able to fit a big screen TV with the wall panels. We created an accent wall in the dining area with a beautiful wall panel, which again also creates a separate space.
So if you are unsure whether renovating makes sense for your property,
you can contact us. We can determine whether a renovation makes sense or not. We could give you an estimate how much investment would be, the performance of the property after the renovation.
Here we go. Aloha guys.
Aloha.